All right, on to our quick shots of the week, Craig. Here we have a few items of interest. Tell me the Google email toolbar.
These are just little nice to haves that improve. So actually Roslyn on our team was reminding me of this. In Gmail, you've got the little HubSpot add-in toolbar and you can configure it now. Just the simple things so you can make that toolbar useful. You can actually add things or remove things that you're not going to use.
Yep.
Just clean it up. Consolidate your toolbar. Streamline it. That's one little thing. Oh, here's another one. Roslyn told me about this one as well. In the operators, let's say you're building a segment or a list and you're grouping stuff, there's a new operator called is equal to property.
Oh.
Yeah. So a good use case is you can compare,
that's very
like build
cool.
a segment, phone number is equal to mobile number.
Yes.
And just show me all the contacts, all the records that match that. So I think these are the little things, Ian, that make life easier. So quick update there. We'll come back to a frustration I've got in a second, but just the third little enhancement. I noticed on meetings in G Suite, like Google Calendar, the HubSpot add-in has this nice little plus button or little indicator next to the attendees to tell you whether they're in HubSpot or not, and you can quickly add them. Now, I don't know if that's new and or whether it's been there for ages and I just didn't notice it. But if I've only just noticed it, then maybe it's a good reminder for others that it's there.
All right. What's the frustration?
Okay.
Craig?
It's not an episode of HubShots unless I have a whinge about something, Ian. So my little gripe, well, actually it's a big gripe. It's to do with Customer Agent. And you and I both love Customer Agent. I think in our last show, we were like, it's one of our top 3 releases last year. It's so good. And it keeps getting better. I've got a tip later in the show. But so what's the obvious request from clients? We want to run multiple customer agents. What's a typical use case? Oh, we want one customer agent for this department, e.g. the customer success team. Oh, we want another one for the sales team. Oh, we want one for a different region. We want one for a different product, etc. Like these are common use cases. And Customer Agent doesn't support that. But just to add to the despair, they did roll out this beta recently called multi-brand. And you and I were so excited when we saw this. Oh, Customer Agent, multi-brand, fantastic. We can have multiple Customer Agent. No, you can't. You need the brand add-on.
Yes.
Or what used to be called business units. Brand add-on to get another. We're just like infuriating. So frustrating. Anyway, why are we mentioning it in the show? Well, we've got a link to a community thread where people are asking for multiple customer agents for the portal. We don't want for different brands. We want this multiple agents, kind of like Prospecting Agent has different playbooks or plays you can have. We just want that for Customer Agent. So there's a community thread. Please go and like it and add your comment there as well if you feel the same.